Ghana, your beloved country, is free forever.
Plenty questions, no.
I was your father, Chair, be a more quaba, a Mukasae. And it's not Mama Quaba, a full staff homes, or Badaroma, and more my ingredients, my catchers and they open so deep dry. How I died in the poso, yeah, the big wasted time or market. And Uti, would you have food staff home? Fine girl by now one. But if you say, what is the way I saw no want to mean digger. That I mean, Tolo beef when him a Janity, Kobe, Mamma, a dear Nina, will be the amount come fresh from the market to the chap. A brow, fair, a full staff home and the number of Ebetuga. Then I have for down so a lol on your enemy day. And you to name about what we're feeling at a fine boy. Yeah, and then to walk about. Said you better because who said there are things on his face. Anytime you see him, it was social media. Near maybe treat you know. The name is welcome. So welcome aboa Ghana. Say you must to come. You know na pay and better. Into Jack. Many episode and a baby my Jack. Martin. Then boom to say. Welcome pay.
Baby,
Unim come.
Baby.
I come with you.
Baby.
Get you be a company.
Baby.
Zaho. I'm trying to buy back. You better also let Anwamoo. And I have Badwam. Hey, say, Jack. Anwamoo only chase ya. Makafu di area. And go on, Anwamoo. Hey, bruta. Hey, see the more ha. And I sadi. Come beef way a special sexy Anwamoo. And I feel yenya meko. And I Jamie. And I walk and chile. Tolo beef for her. Spring 1 year. Sana my friend. And also ever happy. You told you I had to be yeah, Bayo, near Bayamaka, near to me, I'm all your feeling. Smell me, a sure say, but you know, if you are one of the special pie, more there, shit, a grabber.
Plenty questions, no answer. How come we sell a contract? Biggie lifestyle, small paper. You make it celebrity, the shop for Kanta. We get eyes but can't see. Bribery and corruption. Our leaders he take it but don't give. So make a ask. Kuma where you there? No be you talk say my beloved country is free forever. But still we the suffer. In Kuma where you there? You know be you talk say my beloved country is free forever. But your people still the suffer. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Where the money go?
So, any episode 18 come by Anwamoo and yeah, episode. You're doing no, I say, I marry. You try a swing on near to it. Now we're talking about the music industry. Now maybe since I was starting, and now won't conform.
Yeah, and I'm back to it. Now, before 2013, I was in a group called Black Empire. The Black Empire was made of me, Jupiter, so named Jupiter. Yes, and one amazing dancehall artist, I friend Chameleon, and a Galaxy.
Now Chameleon Ogusu.
He's trying to get mainstream, but I think he's doing good. So before then, I was just
new man and I'm about now. You're still doing dancehall.
Yeah, wow. But still reggae and dancehall. From there, and I mean, help from one guy. His name is Tio. He's now in the States, but it has always been me and my team on track team, which I like more, like the people I grew up with. Jomo, they've always been there till now.
Still now, but I mean, as in how I will be man a sponsor or a producer near there. I mean, these young artists always complain about some of the ideas.
Yes, I think I'll say a very big thank you to my team. They've always been there. We happened to sign a contract in like 2016, but Ankui, so we had to.
Yeah. Exactly. Okay, so what the new track be about Mountain? So what's the
Wahala Day?
And no Wahala,
that's the Wahala.
And no Wahala.
I don't have video now.
I feel na video ne PM Mountain. So okay, so give me a little bit of Wahala Day again because you told my comfort, but maybe I feel na Ubi Ababetan TV home. Wahala Day, indeed. Exactly.
Okay.
Give me a bit of it. Let's go.
Problem after problem. Too many talent, but tell me who go support them. You promise my people one district, one factory, but still we never see them.
I don't know.
Plenty million branding bars, but in Kolibu you treat my people like trash. ECG your PDS, tell me who I go pay money to before I get to light. With the chop CD, but leaders are paid in dollar. Duty so high, goods they rot for the border. Music, you know they get in royalty. You give them money for creative industry, but still with the suffer.
No correct.
Procurement go kill Ghana man. No. You come to the ghetto, come brag. The youth are tired with the lies and the fake promises. In Kruma, where you there? You know, be you talk, say my beloved country is free forever.
Okay.
My people still the suffer. In Kruma, where you there? You know, be you talk, say my beloved country is free forever. But episode is suffer. Yeah. Wahala day.
Indeed, Wahala day. Oh, to try to make sure more normal. Any idea episode, any needing Komolo. You must. Okay, so episode. Any gusuya, Yanene Chicken Komo, so worry, yeah, but yeah, somebody, but we now worry near that. I send him to 4 years per chicks per
Mommy, chicks as in chicken.
Oh, young coco, Nippon coco near the island, make a horse. See, I guess how. Oh, yeah, most more be.
Oh, David, mommy, it comes with a job, though. But most of the time, who put priorities in the first definitely, because
there's a man Hamilton because
no,
exactly. But I am here today. Oh, you associated. Exactly. You know, I know episode.
Fine boy.
Fine boy, how do you soak his pressure?
I've always been the kind that I make sure I put my work first. And as much as we also have to open up because of the kind of work we do to some of these people, because when as a you rude to your fan, most of the time it goes bad. I bet how brand no. Well, when I reggae dance on so the gangster level no or high until most of the time you see the girls in our videos with all the hotties and bikinis and all of that. But in real life, no, most of the time, and yes, sir. Me say you know but because these people see our videos, the glitz and the glamours, and people think like we always have a party life. Yeah.
No, but no more the about when your problem.
I think there also will be yeah, because most me like this, I've always said, say my career is not only for parties. Say if people can still exactly.
But in fact, reggae for dancehall, they are almost like politicians. That's when they talk. They be come out they knew
yes.
Yeah, like who said no? They speak about
social issues.
Yeah.
Because it's just because meditating back Accra. Reggae started from Jamaica in like the 1960s. And basically we all know the people who invented reggae as the Jamaicans. And also know they actually gained their voice to speak because they were more of like slaves. So reggae was more of like a redeemer for them. That's why most of the time exactly. That's why you would hear us speak about social issues, what is really going on. And as a reggae artist, I think that it was wise.
But have you had any Obia from some social media for a year or near there?
Oh, Masters Nidhi, I think they actually love this episode because it's something like we know 1 or 2 calls, which we don't want to put it out, but
of course.
I think the fans.
The calls were negative, as in they are like, oh,
I was approached one time that me na my say me stubborn na me say me enyum etia. Yeah, but this is not a political song. I think it's for the people, and the fans have actually loved it because. But they don't have the voice to speak.
So far, views, say when the video about
last week.
And the views,
the comments are crazy. The views is doing good, but I think say we should.
How does it make you feel? As in singing a song like that, or Ghana, or thinking so near my promises and penny for you because what you know, I mean, Catacross is just not the be a bang me. It's about Okabas's brand and I am Mahama.
Yeah, I even talk about the churches.
Yeah.
In there, it makes me feel say there's more of it to just living a celebrity life. As a musician, I'm after this kind of road. Then it means it has to continue. I just don't have to stop because meaning say people are there who even would want to hear words that can encourage them. Because Mekaya may a nyom for Mandela, which is like 2015, but this year it will be tweety. Somebody tweeted at me that. The song helped me pass my exam.
Wow.
Yes, which made me feel very good. And so it should tell you that my journey is more of like the longevity is going to be good because I have to actually do songs that can stand test of time.
Because such songs, you know, honestly, I mean, when we're about 7 in quotes, yeah, that you cover but in quite papa people you don't get to be like Shatawale.
School part to man and
you don't get to be like Patapa and the rest.
Big up Patapa.
I mean, it's not to say but no credit and nobody but you don't support yourself. Music, Ghana music.
Oh, I know the true
part.
True. One man company in the doors. One man army in the doors.
Yeah, but that's why
we're not going far as even Ghanaian musicians because when I Zimbabwe, it's even hard to mention one particular Ghana artist who has actually made it mainstream there.
I was Zimbabwe,
even Kenya.
About Nigeria, cry maybe VIP then at that time made some name or Nigeria and stuff, and then maybe some of these acts, we are making some name in Nigeria because Nigeria has a big industry.
Exactly.
And to be any and not fat.
Exactly.
Any idea? Now say me at you. What happened?
Now my team we were from a meeting from Tema. Yeah, Biffy. And
that was for long this episode,
DB. Because now we cry any minimum.
Yeah, so what happened?
See, I think me say me Tema that well. So we're using a Google map because we say most of the time community 1. Community 1 now it be our community 8. So we're using funny enough, not carry the cheap, but I didn't see because we outside it was very late.
Bad.
Debut.
Okay.
I think that the problem was you see DV and we were more than 2. Yes. So when they engaged us and then they started talking to my manager, so I thought it was going off board into this year just to. And I got done here. Yeah, because then I got pissed a bit and done here. But
I don't want people now to be
debut.
That's a macho.
And I'm like my manager is my life.
Yeah.
So
wow.
Yes.
Your manager is your life.
Yes. My team,
your life.
Exactly, because without them there will be no episode brand.
Wow.
What I said. So when the back and forth was going, I thought it was wise to come and then at least go back. So I felt maybe bye. But it ended just like 5 minutes after what happened though. But I don't know.
But I went out and
I know.
Yeah.
I'm used to, I don't know, just to teach people for Shatter Show because I thought the masses will be there and prior to the incident that happened, most of the time people even get convicted for wrong reasons. So it was wise to come and tell the people that as much as maybe some of these security people don't have patience when they're dealing with normal guys like
You're
us.
normal. You're not just normal because sometimes people are my Rasta near you are dreamy. And with those guys, computer guys, whatever, fraud boys near the I'm town, at a certain particular time, yeah, no be
exactly.
So, especially when it's DV.
I just split. Sometimes they should be patient. Now,
yes, you didn't Rasso.
Mommy,
you didn't Rasso.
It was my fault though.
But I think I was to Wahala Day. About to say Wahala Day. Minister Uncle Becca said, do you know who I am? Any idea, but then it happened.
Yeah.
It was your first time I had you.
Yes, it was. And I was amazed.
How did you feel?
Charlie
police station is
no, but Yanko police station crowd.
Even said the facts of police.
The facts, exactly. Yeah, so after gangster, you know, also a patch.
Oh, bro. Into who never knows, no, I don't know. And they left you. Now, say, Mama, share about you. You commenting about Fantana because that's what I made an intro.
Yeah.
I brought it up, and you commenting about her. Any idea about dressing?
No, I never.
Is it about? What is it? The whole thing about?
I was asked about it, and I said, "Oh, I didn't really know her, but I had to go check. I had to go check to find out who she was." But yeah, born in crying, I was saying that I even asked in the studio if it was Ebony's song.
But because I'm going to buy after Ebony.
Yes.
Ebony. After when you now sing just like her.
Exactly.
When you say latest song, you say cut it for me. Nice.
You know, interview me to be difficult crime me. And I'm home say like I got notification from Instagram. So me go check here. She actually screenshot
your interview.
Not the interview.
Okay.
She actually one of my videos on YouTube and her video. Then she had a caption like
did they say?
Yes. You know, and I had to respect her like or your bar. You know, so I just had to let it slide.
You just ask what do you know?
Exactly, but or your buying I just had to let it slide. Because I don't think
just something that you would have used, you know. I mean, although you wouldn't have used it at all. Maybe if you give me a line, one line or two, maybe although you know, go ahead.
Then I be ya chubini ya mekeshwe. She know ni wanane. I make backbone on that song. Mini keneke super. Oh you seke before me Fred your feet expand the damn floor. Cool. Let me talk to them. Well, are they soft like so me not act with them. This the very good bad boy. Let me make a step to them. We cooking right here. So you better watch the next step.
Thank you. Man. Wait, get to have you look how you're home about Of course. I mean, I'm just hoping she came. She's the new friend.
Yeah, she's my new friend.
And she's a nice girl too.
She is.
She's a fine girl too.
Yes.
I don't know me, but in fact, never family do feel.
You be sure. I be kakra.
What was it?
Kakra.
Was it? Anwamoo Abiankasa. In fact, let me dish some. Biankasa. Let me check. I mean, dish it to a binam here. Said it's the same. We are done with our Anwamoo. Me de emo de me kurase ni kakra wonti. Me tap me nsa. Aso nsuo kakra wo.
To dry kakra.
Nsuo kakra wonti.
This is a gangster Anwamoo.
And now Anwamoo is almost done. It's done. You're tasting kakra. I'm doing this BI come to come out. Yes, I didn't know. I said to me, I did dance and come out. I'm going to come with you. I'm trying to name a try to the embassy. Ya was only, and I have breakfast down so long, and they will pay pizza, more chair, and another pizza. Ya were Christian Village, Domi Pillar 2, 5 Ghana City for a slice from 0244284486. Epixode.
Mommy.
Then home do. Well, as my family no worker. Now no find Ghana no idea about show. Well, them pay. And you will pay ya. Shatawale show so sometime. Back from prison. Thank you. Never to say.
Be okay.
Be okay. Enti abrantie. Come on. Konkonsa wo die tie ma. That no material near so say Fantana why beba ho. But maybe say o come. The reason why maybe say o come because I went through YouTube near just trying to find who you are.
Yeah.
Me who say baby abeko bia near Exactly. What is it?
I think it's part of my brand now. Because me too quite call outside, and most of the time what happens is because I hear dance or Rasta, we have logs like we sing like the Jamaicans. People mistaking us to be Jamaicans.
For Jamaica.
Exactly. Now I was thinking that it was wise to add something to the brand that Me too quiet. People can
Adom
exactly my identity.
Why
Where I'm
so
coming from. Yeah. So me a painter, so I'm a graphic artist and I paint. So it was just
draw me camera. Yeah, me not trust me camera now. Yeah, ni me beba sa to sa Adom TV.
Definitely.
Oh wow. Ono ene de wahala day. Obo bi ma nkroma any idea. I mean, give me a little bit of you as in that song. Either is Wahala Day and I say
Wahala Day.
Yeah, you can give me a little bit of it.
Yeah. Friday morning, Monday suffer just to eat some bread and butter. Things they spoil, we know they bother you. They use $4 million just for soccer. Cause big man go taking cards. This kind of things I know they bab. They say the year of return, it be like the Westman for colonels we again before we went south. Yeah. Welcome to Ghana. When you see Koti, it be by force say you for Roger. The church is turning business center, selling sticker to protect me by the preacher, get a boss and make a ask. Where them day? Our missing children, where them day? The takrady girls, where them day? Me, I'm not afraid to send Kruma where you day. You know, be you talk, say my beloved country is free forever. But episode is so foul. In Kruma where you day?